In response to the challenge of being the main variable with respect to learning for my students, and in light of the potential benefits of PBL, as outlined in the previous episode, I want to share a plan for implementation. It is not an all-encompassing nor complete plan, rather, it is a starting point that will bring together the theoretical with the practical. Additionally, mathematics and science teachers are less likely to see their students flourish if the inquiry is wide open and minimally guided. This is my plan for bringing a portion of the Saskatchewan curriculum for Math 9 to life. To make reference to the outcomes easier, I have abbreviated them to make them more palatable. This table shows you the shortened version of the strands and the outcomes. The challenging problem or project that we are going to tackle is the lack of a building at our high school football field that will provide protection for our canteen volunteers from the elements during the games. Our Student Representative Council has been barbecuing and providing a variety of snack options to the crowds behind a few tables set up on the grass. This has been especially challenging during the colder months of October and November. I'm going to expect the students to work in groups to complete the following tasks. Within these tasks, the students will have the opportunity to solve problems, to work as a team, communicate with each other and outside sources, to use technology to support their learning, and to present their work. And they will have multiple opportunities to come up with innovative solutions and ideas. In an effort to connect to the real world, there will be judges who will choose the most viable and efficient proposal. The teacher or other adults will help the winning designers to prepare a presentation for our local recreation board. The students will then attend a meeting and present their ideas, potentially having their project become reality. This project will partially address 10 of the 14 curricular outcomes. Surface area is addressed in calculating needed building materials. Rational numbers and operations will be used throughout during all calculations, including fractions and decimals. The students will collect and analyze data related to the customers and profits of the canteen, which relates to statistics, linear relations, and inequalities. The students will be digitally and physically creating a scale diagram of the building, and the design of the building will require a basic understanding of symmetry. Determining the total cost is an opportunity to introduce variables and operations with polynomials, while square roots are needed to calculate diagonal lengths on their scale models. Additionally, this problem will help develop the broad areas as developing lifelong learners, a sense of community, and engaged citizens, while intentionally developing the cross-curricular competencies of thinking, identity, interdependence, literacies, and social responsibility. There will also be opportunity to combine class time with other subjects, perhaps industrial arts, and to connect with community experts such as local contractors. I'm planning to use Twitter, Google Docs, and Flipgrid to help the students reflect and respond. On Twitter Tuesdays, the students will be expected to send out a tweet that updates everyone on what they did that day, or they'll share a roadblock that they need help with. On Filmian Fridays, the students will update their PBL journal and share it with their partner and teacher using Google Docs. This will be an excellent opportunity to share successes and challenges. The partner and teacher will have the opportunity to provide encouragement, constructive criticism, and help if needed. The students will use Flipgrid to create a 1.5-minute prediction before the project begins, after it is explained, and to create a reflection when the project is done. I recognize there are going to be hiccups throughout. Who knows when the school's network will be down, or the concepts or outcomes might need to be broken down into smaller chunks. The project will need to be adapted for those with learning challenges, and what about the students who lack motivation, or the students who are absent at key times? I am prepared to learn from the experience, persevere, and reflect when it is completed.
Created using Powtoon.